What not to do when building your first PC. Number 1, be careful when putting your motherboard in. You especially don't want the back to be beaten up. Number 2, take the sticker off the back of the CPU cooler or else your thermals will be trash. Number 3, so many new PC builders are so stressed about putting the CPU in, but the more you stress it, the harder it's gonna be. Number 4, check sizes so you make sure everything fits. You don't want to return anything. Number 5, don't put everything in while it's standing up. Lay it down. And lastly, don't be stupid while budgeting components. Follow and like!